It'd be very tempting in questions like this to try and fill the grid, and it will work. And it's actually how I started the question out. But I want to talk about a more advanced method that's going to be really useful on more advanced problems than just this multiple choice question. For example, you might be asked to show or how many different ways there are to fill the grid and so on. That's what competitions such as the Olympiad tend to start talking about. So what we want to know the product of the numbers in the four grey circles. Now, what we can do is remember, let me just um, say that these four, for example, multiply to give 4. So if I start timesing all my numbers together, then I've got 4 here. And if I times these four numbers together, then I would get another 10. So I can, at the moment, if I times all those together, now look, I've actually double counted this one here, but we'll come back to that. Then I'm getting my like total product. And then I times by 6, times by 24. And I've actually times all the numbers together, except I've double counted the 12. So if I want to get just the grey circles, I can divide by 12 and divide by 12 again. If I wanted the product of all the numbers, I would just divide by 12 once. But I want to divide by 12 times 12 because then I'm dividing by all of these. And I'm actually left with the grey circles by themselves without ever having to put a single number in. So the 12 and the 24 cancel to give 2 here. And then I can divide the 12 with a 6 and a 2. So I'm left with 40. It's a really nice method, I think, to get the problem. Let's look at how we could do it by filling in the table. I think it's going to take a bit longer, but maybe, the method's a little bit simpler to use. So I know for 10, I'm going to have to put a factor of 5 in. I can't put it here or here, so I'm going to put it here. And then I could say put a 2 there. The rest are going to have to be ones. Maybe that's a possibility. I could put a 3 here to share between 12, 6, and 24. Then I'm going to have to put a 1 here and a 1 here for the 6. I can't. Okay, I could put a 4 here. No, I can't because I've already got 6. So I could put a 2 here. That gets me to 12. See, there's more than one option here. And that's actually, when I started doing this question, I started doing this and I thought, oh, I don't really like the fact there's more than one option. I'm gonna work generally. Um, there's more than one answer basically. So, okay, I should probably tick them. I've got the 10, I've sorted the 6, I've sorted the 12. Right, I need a 2 here and a 1 here in either order. So the 4 is sorted. And then for 24, I've got 6, I could do 4 and 1. I could do 2 and 2. So now I'm ready to multiply them. They're all ones except the 5, the 2, and the 4. So that again gives 40. Nice.